Hello everyone, how are you doing? Satyal here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm gonna show how to resolve if your Windows Store is not installing apps properly. So can be a common occurrence on Windows 10. To resolve this problem, gonna start by opening up the start menu. By left click on the start button one time and want to type Windows PowerShell. Right click on this and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control Windows, you want a left click on yes. Now in this 11 command line Windows, you want to copy the command in this description below. Copy and go up to the top bar in this Windows PowerShell. Right click on top, select edit and paste and hit enter. Wait a moment. Please be patient. So once you get back to a screen in just this System32, close out here and restart your computer to apply the change. Restart. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next video. Goodbye.